How to install brushes on Craftsman radial arm saw ###.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Craftsman tool or machine? How old is it?
No khow.
How long has this been going on with your Craftsman? What have you tried so far?
Blade continues to run after I stop saw.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hi. David here. I will try to help you with the saw. Do you already have the new brushes?
No.
Please look at a video on YouTube. Electric motor doesn't spin but hums is what to type in. The cleaning shown there might help. Or to replace the brushes you will need to find them. Sears Parts Direct is the site that I use for Craftsman tools. The brushes will be located under round screw heads on most motors. I will try to find a photo for you to see them.
Thanks, please send any directions or photos.
The brushes are located inside the motor housing on the end of the motor opposite the blade shaft. Many Craftsman radial arm saws have discontinued parts, including most of the brushes. I am looking now to try to find yours.
I know, if found brushes that might fit. Rigid OEM 816768.
I didn't find any. I did find a whole working motor on eBay for about $120.00 including shipping. If you found brushes that look similar, then you could buy them and try them. I did fix a cut-off saw that way years ago. I did go through several sizes of brushes prior to finding the right ones. I am pretty good at finding parts, so I will say that you will not likely find any original replacement brushes for your saw. If you want to find replacements that fit but are not original, then I would carefully measure yours, both and inches, and then search for motor brushes. It will be a bit tedious, but you will eventually find some of the same size. I can do that for you if you have the measurements.
Did you find the right ones?
The right ones, Craftsman, are discontinued. I may be able to find others if I have the size in and inches of yours. Basically, I would need the size of the wearable end. You wouldn't generally have the length because they will be worn, but please measure the length anyway. Measure the width and height and length of the graphite part.
Do you have any install directions or photo on replacing the brushes? Any would be helpful.
To replace the brushes, you would note how they sit before removing and carefully extract them, and then install the new ones back the same way. I don't have a photo of your machine. If you want to see a photo of a chop saw, I can show that. The main thing is to have the new brushes match size with the old ones where they touch the motor. I will look to see if I can find a video showing brushes replacement. Back in a minute. How to change motor brushes on Skill 3305 table saw. That is the video description that shows brush replacement on an older Skill motor. Look about 1 o'clock into the video. It is possible that your motor is different and that the brushes come out a slightly different way. You should watch the video about replacing the capacitor on a radial arm saw as well.
Where do I find these video?
Sorry, I just got back online. Look on YouTube and type in how to change motor brushes on Skill 3305 table saw and replacing capacitor on radial arm saw. Hopefully that answered your question. If you have more, please do ask. Thanks again.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.